Allinea DDT offers the possibility to look at data in arrays. Go to a location of the code where the arrays have been initialized, then click on View and Multidimensional Array Viewer. Specify the array expression with the appropriate number of dimensions, choose the range and click on Evaluate to retrieve the data. If you click on Visualize, you'll be able to see the 3D pictures. To work in a distributed environment, change the distributed array dimensions and specify the range of x accordingly with the number of processes. When you look at the data, one color will match one process. It is also possible to look at multidimensional arrays. To do so, just use the exact same mechanisms. View the array, specify the appropriate range, and click on Evaluate once again. The data you will be able to visualize will be distributed in an advanced fashion. If you need more features, there are also some statistics that are available and that will give you a broad range of information like the numbers of not a number and none of inf.